kitagomborwa bakita ziba
cy'amahoro yaba shampiyona yaba igikombe cy'intwari iri mu makipe meza yitabira nkuko na
zamani yabase idutsinze yadufatiranye
we wagiye wubahuka niba waravuye no mu cyaro
kimwe kitagomborwa kimeze nk'icyo mukura dukubise kiragitego kitagomborwa bakita ziba kimeze nk'icyo mukura dukubise igitego bitaziba nake tugikubise kenisi nazibe nanandi magambo dukeneye kumva turanamwiyamye football ni kibuga nagara amagambo na Rayon Sport ivuga ubugambo bwayo ngibikombe ni byayo nago ibikombe babikopa nago federation ibikombe bagikopa polisi imeri nyanya ngende ngabo y'igihugu ndashinzwe gucunga umutekano w'igihugu shinzwe gucunga umutekano w'abaturage ndago nyenshinzwe kumena inyanya z'abaturage polisi n'umwana kuri twebwe nabwo badufite kuba polisi tuzayikubita twege dushaka ibikombe bibiri byo mu Rwanda ngomba guheka Rayon Sport ku mugongo kandi ngomba kuyiheka mimerita ndashaka igikombe cya shampiyona nkashaka igikombe cy'amahoro nukuvuga ngo nkashwanyaguza natwaye n'ikintwari tubibye ikise okay nta kibazo kira gitego ni umuzinga tubakubise igitego bita umuzinga kimeze nk'inguba kira gitego ni nk'ingubu bundi tubakubise igitego kiryoshye nukuvuga ngo Gasogi ni umwana kuri twebwe football si intambara ndabyemera tukubise mu cico nukuvuga ngo umutoza wacu nta kibazo kiba afite ibintu uyu ni umurebe uri kubivuga hatagira abantu babitinda
football ni nkanyashe
reka nkubwire rero muvandimwe kuba ngiye guhura na Rayon Sport ni ibintu niteguye ndyoshye ni ibintu niteguye meze neza ngewe ndashaka Rayon kubera ko ntabwo mfite abakinyi beza nta mvune mfite na kibuga mfite muri make Rayon Sport ifite imvura nyinshi ari nayo mpamvu abuzukuru bayo bayikubiseje nubwo twadefanda ariko ntabwo uyu munsi se
reka nere kugaruka ku by'umutoza narabivuze nyine ibyo navuze narabivuze kandi sinumva ko twatsinze nibyo ariko ntabwo turi gukomveka nka ekipe nkuru ntabwo turi gukomveka ubundi ekipe ya APR ni ekipe yatsindaga umuba ikagukubita ikagucenga ikagukirigita ikagusaka ariko turi gutsinda imitima yahagaze ntabwo mu makipe mwanega polisi nubwo nta pressure igira nta bafana igira ariko nimwanega polisi yo nugucaho nukwirukanka kuri polisi yo nuruca abana shampiyona turayizi ubundi turabakangaye turabakabiri ndakeka polisi ari nk'iya gatanu cyangwa iya gatandatu twebwe rero duhataniye igikombe ntabwo
mwakiriye gute kuba umukino wa Sport na APR warigizwe imbere mugiye gukina kutari cya 9
turi muri shampiyona kandi urugamba iyo umwanzi ateye isaha n'isaha uba witeguye twebwe rero nk'abakunzi nk'abafana niyo bawushireje mu gitondo niyo bawushira umwaka utaha twe nta kibazo dufite
kabari bavuga ko ari mwe mwawiteguye
twebwe se turi federation cyangwa turi abategura abayobozi ba ligue twebwe turi equipe nkuko nari ari equipe na polisi ari equipe ibyo ababihinduye n'abayobozi
abafana bagasoje bari gukubita agatoki kandi ngo murabibye
ariko koko mwanega umwaka ushize yankuyemo nibyo ni impanuka nta nubwo mba nkwiye kuvuga ni ikibazo gikomeye cyane ntago ndi mu bantu rwose baburana na Gasogi kuko imyaka maze nubwo nahita maze imyaka myinshi nta bikombe ntaki we iritabira yaba igikombe cy'amahoro yaba shampiyona yaba igikombe cy'intwari iri mu makipe meza yitabira nkuko na zamani
yabase idutsinze yadufatiranye
we wagiye wubahuka niba waravuye no mu cyaro
wadufatiranye
igitego kimwe ariko umukino umutoza
ku giti cyanjye ntabwo umukino unejeje ariko intsinzi ni intsinzi uko wayibona kose intsinzi ni intsinzi niyo mwayibona mwakinnye nabi cyambere n'amanota 3 kandi cyiza nuko dukomeje tuzakina na returu urumva twe twasuye dufite amahirwe menshi
y'umutoza wanyu nta munyenge bateye kuri derby
twebwe ubundi cyambere ntabwo ubungubu ntabwo turi kuvuga ku mutoza cyane twe turi kureba intumbero y'ibikombe dufite igikombe twatwaye dusigaje ibindi bibiri umunsi rero twabibuze niho byibuza bizaba inkuru kubera ko turi ekipe z'ibikombe turi ekipe z'ibikombe niyo mpamvu rero uko twakina nabi twakina neza icyo dushaka ni igikombe dukinnye nabi turatsinze dukinnye neza turatsinze ni amanota 3 twebwe turashaka ibikombe icy'ingenzi ni uko ari amanota 3 dutwaye
nkurikije ibintu uri kuvuga hari abantu bashobora kuba Darikonovic yakinye kuriya bakibeshya ko wenda ari ubuswa we ntabwo ubona ko arimo kumanaginga squad bijyanye n'imikino imbere ifite Police na Rayon Sport
simbizi ntabwo n'umutekinisiye cyane birishobora kuba yabikoze nyine nk'umutoza afite izindi strategy afite kubera ko yari maze no gutsinda igitego kandi afite n'uburenganzira bwo kuruhutsa abakinnyi cyangwa se agakuramo wananiwe agakinisha abandi twebwe ngewe icyo nzamunenga ntidutsindwa twakinnye na nabi nzabivuga ariko mu gihe twatsinze ntacyo namuvugaho namwe murakoze.
And he started to play from 10 minutes asking for the change, but biggest problem for us because in that moment if we change him we should change 2 players because of balanced domestic and professional. And just last 5 minutes we fulfilled first half with Gilbert and Dennis to come inside to play that 5 minutes, and after that we have to come back again to 3 midfielders to pull one of attacker out, and it was 2 necessary changes. And after that, of course, we have to think about also Police, who is after 2 days, and to give to some players rest. Last time it was Dennis against Mukura in half time. Now it was Hakim, and Gilbert played 45 minutes there. Now 30 minutes here, 45 minutes here, and you know we have to share it and care about how it will be physically in that match, especially as you know that even Jibril and Mamadou, as you know that all of those 3 players are not in high physical level, especially Jibril, who had more than 1 month pause in December and January, and of course also yellow cards and too much speaking about, but okay, that's the football.
Yeah, those changes should show us some tactical plans, many tactical plans in the game. Sometimes Dauda could play number 6. Yes. By the end, he plays number 8 or 10.
Yes.
Maybe your plan is not yet be shown in the place.
Yes, no. It was planned. If you remember that Dauda played already that position against Pyramids here, against Azem here, and also against Pyramids there. And now I can tell you that Dauda is much better in that position. He's a guy who can, in that position, move the ball, make a lot of progression. That position in front of defending line. As a holding midfielder, it's not easy to play, but when he has a more freedom, he's much better. But our problem, because we have not another choices like him, and he is used there. And the biggest miss for us is Bosco Boneka, because he was last, let's say, 5 to 7 matches our best player. Maybe in that moment who provide to you a lot of runnings, more than 12 kilometers plus contribution in gameplay. Okay, no problem. You know. If you want to, I talk about that in Hue, yes, after match. And if you want to talk about that, you have to know what happened inside and what is our happening day before and day on the game, and then some things coming necessary, and that you had 2 problems in your middle line, and of course that you have some players. It's not 1 or 2 of them, many of them. Wasn't in the match, and a lot of simple passes, a lot of decisions, a lot of, well, like it's not our face. I never saw them like that. And of course, if you want to make some stress and to change rhythm of the game and to add something to your squad, of course that you have to react. And sometimes it's not popular, you know. As I know that comment can come, comment can be positive or negative. If you score goal, 1 or 2 goals, comment should be totally different. I remember 2-3 chances, goal post of Jibril. If we finish 1-1, everybody talk about that. Oh, good for changes. But for me, it's good because all of those 4 when they come in, they perform what we asking for. It wasn't easy to play with 2 strikers, especially Jibril, who is not in the still not playing 19 minutes, and Ramadan and Ismail. They gave full efforts to change rhythm of the game. Plus Mugisha. After that, Baka, Alan, and I'm satisfied with them. At the end, the result wasn't popular for us, but okay, that's the football. You know, you have 3 results there.
Coach, even though it didn't happen, and I don't want it to happen, but some people are speculating about your contract, and they said if you lose 3 games consecutive, you can lose your job.
Yes, people
ask you, it is not in your contract, or
I will tell you. No, I will tell you something. You know, first day, no, I'm in a good mood. I can speak. You know.
First?
No. From first day when I came here, a lot of rumors, a lot of speaking. Every week I heard something. I can't believe. You know, last week it was, I don't know, that I hate Hakim. Before that about Lamptey. Before that about I kicked Terry from the car. Before I can mention maybe 20 stories. You know, and after that came, people talked to me. I said, okay, I will go to my home in front of mirror and I will meet myself, because everybody here knows better than me situation. And you know, about your question, I finished the season, and after that we can talk openly about everything.
Thank you, Coach. Coach, Gasogi ne obtenu 3 points d'aujourd'hui. Vous avez gagné le premier match contre APR. Comment je vois le match, le physionomie de match?
Bon, on a été cueillis à froid parce qu'on prend le premier but, on prend le but à la 42e seconde. On n'était pas bien en place, on venait de commencer le match. Après, on est bien rentré dans ce match pour chercher à revenir au score. Après, vous avez bien vu qu'on a marqué 2 fois de suite. Après, il faudrait que je revoie les images pour savoir s'il y avait réellement faute ou il y avait hors-jeu. Mais je me demande encore maintenant qu'est-ce que l'arbitre a sifflé, qu'est-ce qu'il a signalé. Et si vraiment les buts sont valables, normalement ce soir on ne devait pas sortir avec la défaite. Qu'à cela nous tienne, il y a la manche retour qui va arriver la semaine prochaine. On va essayer de rééditer le même exploit, de faire un gros match comme on a fait ce soir et chercher à marquer. Peut-être emmener APR au tir au but comme l'année dernière où on les a éliminés au tir au but. Donc voilà.
Pourquoi aujourd'hui tu n'as pas commencé Abdelaziz avant ce soir?
J'ai pas de titulaire de mon équipe, tous les joueurs se valent et je fais jouer la concurrence. Et après on a joué le week-end dernier, on a joué ce soir, on joue encore dimanche. Donc il faut savoir gérer son effectif. Donc si Abdelaziz était sur le banc, c'est un choix. Peut-être que dimanche il va commencer le match, peut-être qu'il sera encore sur le banc. Donc voilà.
Coach, vous avez 3 matchs consécutifs avec des équipes qu'on considère comme les GIA. Vous venez de perdre l'une. Vous allez jouer contre Rayon dans le championnat et APR le match retour de la paix. Comment vous allez entamer les 2 matchs qui vont suivre avec le Rayon, avec APR?
Bon, c'est vrai que c'est des grandes équipes. Après, je ne veux pas dévoiler la stratégie ici, mais je vous demande juste de venir dimanche. Vous allez voir ce qu'on va proposer contre Rayon Sport. Et revenez la semaine prochaine, vous verrez ce qu'on va mettre en place contre APR. Merci. Vous avez une question?
umugoroba mwiza abakunzi ba The Choice Live nk'ibisanzwe turi kuri Kigali Pele Stadium ahahoze habera imikino y'igikombe cy'amahoro kimwe cya kane. Ni imikino yatangiye ku munsi w'ejo aho ku isaha y'isa 9 equipe ya Police FC yari yakinye na AS Kigali. Police iyitsinda ibitego 2-1 nago twabashije kugera ku kibuga kubera impamvu runaka ntitwabasobanureze tuko zagenze, ariko no mukino warangiye ibitego 2 bya Police kuri kimwe cya AS Kigali. Nyuma yaho saa 12 equipe ya Rayon Sport na Gorilla FC bari bahuriye nabahangaha. Nyuma no mukino waje kurangira bombi banganyije ibitego 2-2 bigaragara ko equipe ya Rayon Sport Gorilla itanze kwinjira mu mukino iyibanza ibitego 2 bibiri hanyuma mu gice cya kabiri Rayon Sport nka ekipe nkuru iza guhindura schema tactique bakinaga Robert nyagerageza kureba ukuntu yagombora ibyo bitego birangira agomboye 2-2 uyu munsi kuwa kane ekipe ya Gasogi United yari yakiriye ekipe ya APR FC n'umukino wabanje kuvugwaho ibintu byinshi mbere y'ukuba urabizi ko nyine president wa ekipe ya Gasogi n'umuntu ukunda gutangaza match mbere y'uko ibakabanza gashyushya abantu ngira ngo n'ibyari byavuzwe ko yiyambaje umutoza we Kirasa Ale wabanje gusezerera APR umwaka ushize aramwiyambaza aramubwira ati ngwino mu myitozo unyereke harya ubushize wayisezereye gute wayikuyemo gute rero ngira ngo ibyo Kirasa Ali yabashije kubafasha nibyo mubonye hano mu kibuga ariko na APR FC nk'ikipe nkuru ni ekipe yaje iri determine ni ekipe yaje bizi neza ko ntago yakongera gutsindwa kabiri yatsinzwe Huye ntago yakongera gutsindwa imbere y'abafana babo bagize amahirwe rero babona igitego kare cyane ku masegonda ya hafi cya Ramazani niyibizi byorohera ekipe ya APR FC guhita ifata match ya Gasogi nk'imyitozo ni match twabonye umutoza Darkonovic yakozemo yahinduye system de jeu inshuro 3 byagaragaraga ko imibare minini cyane ya Darkonovic iri kuri match afite ku cyumweru na Police FC na nyuma yaho kuri equipe azakina na Rayon Sport babonaga ko nyine kuba yagize Imana akabona igitego mbere byahise bimukura kuri pressure icyakurikiyeho no kwari kugerageza kureba ibindi bishobora kuzabafasha muri match bafite imbere so APR FC bigezeho rero itsinda igitego kimwe ku busa ntekereza ko niyo yari yasuye ifite amahirwe ubu tuvugana mu Rwanda igitego kimwe muri Afrika hose kiracyabara 2 ubu tuvugana ifite ibitego 2 niko twabivuga kandi ifite chance ko match ikurikiye nibo bazaba bayakiriye wabonaga ko rero nyine ni impinduka mutoza Darkonovic yakoraga ukabona ntago bari kubyumva abandi bakavuga ati asimbuza nabi n'umuswa ariko we adusobanuriye ko akimara kubona imikinire ya Gasogi yahisemo kwentegira abakinnyi be bashyashya kubera imikino ibiri afite imbere ikomeye akaba ari mpamvu yahisemo gukinisha ba Pichu azana ba Tadeo Rwanga arahindura ba Dauda bakura kuri 6 abashyira ku 8 nyine yahinduye ibintu byose ku buryo nyine byagaragaraga ko icyingenzi kinini cyane kuri Darkonovic ni imikino afite iri imbere kurenza uyu nguyu wa Gasogi rero nk'ibisanzwe ku munsi w'ejo champion izakomeza amakipe ya Rutsiro azakina na Visio nabwo tuhababereye no muri weekend tuzaba duhari Rayon Sport izakina na Gasogi United ekipe ya APR FC izaba ifite Police tuzakomeza tubane namwe umunsi ku munsi nimuzajye kure Imana ibarinde ni Sylvie Sano umukobwa wanyu umugoroba mwiza